I've had a couple questions about how to work with placed images in InDesign, so I put together this really quick instructional video. So I'm in InDesign, and I want to place something that I've built in Illustrator into here. So I'm going to go to File, and come down to Place. It's Command D is the key command. And then I'm going to navigate and find that file. My example is right here. This was built in Illustrator. So I select that file, and if you have a multiple page document or maybe a multiple page PDF or an Illustrator file with multiple artboards, you would probably want to turn on Show Import Options and then hit Open. And then in here, now mine's just a one artboard document from Illustrator, so I don't have any choices. But if I wanted something on artboard 3, 4, or 5, I could pick it from here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then I have to click once I get into InDesign, and now that image has been placed in here. I can, with my selection tool, I can move that anywhere I want on my page in InDesign. And right now, when I click on this placed image, I'm working on the box that contains that and the contents at the same time, and they move together. Now, if I want to work on the contents but not the actual bounding box, I need to hover over here and then click on the center icon, and now I'm altering the contents within that box, but not the bounding box itself. I'll undo that. So here's my point. Let's say I bring this in, but I only want to use the R. I don't want the G and the B. Well, I could click on this box, and then I could grab its edge and I can crop out the other parts of it. Now they still exist, so if I click on here, I can see there's stuff outside that box, and maybe I decide I want to use the G instead. I could move that over into here. So depending on how I click on the box, I'm either working on the box and the contents at the same time, or telling it I want to work just on the contents and not alter the box. One last thing you might be running into, what if you want to resize this once you have it in here? It's vector based, so it's okay to enlarge it. We won't lose image quality because it's coming from Illustrator. So I would go to a corner, and in InDesign I have to hold down Command Shift and then resize it. It will resize it proportionately. Okay, that's Command Shift, grab a corner, click and drag to resize. I can change my mind. I can make it smaller, however I need to. So hopefully that answers some of your questions you've been running into. Just let me know if you have more.